jury says a major Omaha hospital is not responsible for a woman's death.
The lawsuit from the family of Andrea Milnes claims CHI Health was negligent for discharging Milnes, who came in saying she had menstrual cramps. The suit claimed Milnes was taken into custody after showing up again at a different entrance at the hospital. She died that afternoon in custody. A jury says Milnes was stabilized before her discharge, which follows federal law.